I mean, I remember on the pipelines, if you quit a job, it's called dragging up. They say drag up. And I remember, man, if you didn't like that job, you'd drag up that day just like that, and you would go across the street and you would hire on for more money or the same money, but you could have a job within a day. Within a day or 2 days, you would have a job. Even if it meant you had to drive across the country to go get it, you would have a job. I got spoiled rotten. Let's put it that way. I was a typical welder. I was a dumbass.